Darkest manipulation techniques for love. Using dark techniques for love manipulation is a harmful and unethical practice that can lead to emotional abuse and erosion of trust in a relationship. Many people use these dark manipulation techniques to make someone fall in love. Awareness of these technologies is critical to protecting yourself and others from potential harm. Here are some ways people use dark manipulation techniques in love and know how they use them. Before deep diving into the video, please subscribe to the channel if you find it helpful. So without wasting your time, let's get started. 1. Gaslighting in romantic relationships. Gaslighting is a dark manipulative technique common in romantic relationships. Manipulators may deny their actions, minimize them, or make their victims doubt their perceptions and feelings. For example, if the victim expresses concern about the manipulator's behavior, the manipulator may respond with statements such as "You're just being paranoid," or "I never said that, you must have misunderstood." 2. Emotional blackmail for affection. In a relationship, the controlling partner may use emotional blackmail to gain control. They may threaten to divorce or withdraw their affection, love, or support from the victim unless the victim complies with their demands. For example, a manipulator can say, "If you truly love me, you will do," or "what I will do. If you don't do it, I'll leave you." 3. Love bombing and future faking. Love bombing is associated with excessive love at the beginning of the relationship, careful and great movement of huge victims. This strong positive strengthening can make the victim emotional depending on the manipulator. Additionally, the manipulator can fake the future by making false promises about the future so that the victim remains invested in the relationship. 4. Isolating the victim. Manipulators often isolate their victims from friends and family to increase their control. By creating a feeling of dependence on the manipulator, they make it less likely that the victim will seek support or advice from others. Such isolation can make it difficult for the victim to recognize the manipulation and leave the relationship. 5. Guilt tripping and emotional abuse. Manipulators use guilt as a tool to control their partner's behavior and emotions. They can make victims feel responsible for their negative feelings or circumstances. For example, a manipulator might say, "You asked me to do this because of your behavior," or "If you cared about me, you would do what I asked." 6. The exploitation of vulnerabilities and insecurities. A manipulative partner discovers and exploits a partner's weaknesses, fears, and insecurities. They use this knowledge to exert control and make it difficult for their victims to resist their influence. 6. Interfering with self-esteem. Manipulators may engage in negatives, which include making sarcastic compliments or subtle insults to hurt their partner's self-esteem. Reduced self-esteem can make the victim more vulnerable to the manipulator's control. 7. Love triangles and jealousy. Manipulators can introduce a third party into a relationship to create jealousy, insecurity, or competition, thus disrupting the victim's emotional state and making it easier to control them. It is important to remember that love should be based on mutual respect, trust, and open communication. Using dark manipulative techniques is not a healthy or sustainable way to build a loving relationship. If you suspect you are being manipulated or know someone who may be, seek support from a trusted friend, family, or professional. Thank you for watching.